In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up, set up your account, and your subscription plan in card.co. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go here into the website of Card by using the link in the description. And then once you're here, you can start by selecting a template in here and then setting up your first card if you'd want to. But in my case, I just want to proceed into clicking here into the card icon. And from here, I can click here on login because I already have my account. Or you could also use this to sign up for free by clicking here on the sign up button. Now, once you're signed in, is that you just simply want to proceed into the pricing plans. So you want to click here on a Pro. As you can see, it says upgrade to Card Pro. Click on that. And then now you'll be able to select a Pro plan. So you'd be able to automatically see that you have been referred by TOOLYSTO, which is from our channel. So this would also help our channel. So if you'd use the link in the description, we are grateful. And then once you are done, is that you want to go and choose the plan that you'd want. You can go for Pro Lite. You can go for Pro Lite 10, Pro Lite 25, depending on which one you'd want, depending on your needs actually. So now once you have selected your plan, is that you want to scroll down and then you'd be able to click here on Select Plan, Select Plan, and Select Plan. For example, I'm going to click here on the middle one, and then this is the Pro Standard. So all that's left now is to scroll down and then apply the referral code, which is TOOLYSTO again. If you didn't get the referral or you didn't use the referral link, then you can just apply the code right here, which is TOOLYSTO, and you can click on apply. And then after that, you can now select the payment method in here and then provide your payment details. And then after that, make sure to click here on checkbox. I have read and agreed to the terms of use and privacy policy, and click on upgrade plan. And just like that, you have now set up your account here in card.co. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.